Well, this is my project from slide design. um, Obviously this is not the draft anymore. um, the purpose of this project is to pick an original ad from an existing, and I'll explain which principles were used in this ad and which principles of design I used to make my own ad. First of all, this is the ad, and it's from ADIDAS, and it shows three girls and the phrase "own your game." I love this phrase, "own your game." And it says shop women's. Okay, and first of all, I start the analysis, and I started with just the photograph. I decided to separate each element to talk about each element. So I noticed that the picture is not in the center, but it's not far away from the focal point. I mean, this girl is right on the line, the other one is right next to her, and the third girl is almost in the middle, so it's quite centered, and it's good. I like it. Okay, on the next thing that I noticed is the typography, and as I said before, I love the phrase "own your game," but it's not just the phrase, but the way it works with the big type and the little type. I mean, here you can notice that there's some message right here. Okay, and it may contrast just from the type. It's not just some plain content that you can see it, and I implemented that in my ad too. If you look closely, the girls have some shadows right under their feet. That makes you think that they're on the floor, even though it's just some gradient background, so it gives you the illusion that it's almost real. So as I explained before, the company is ADIDAS, so here it is. On your game, I couldn't find the same typography, but I still like the phrase "own your game." And this time I decided to show a man running, because I didn't like just people standing there. It's like totally copying, and I don't like copying, so I put this man. I changed his shirt to have the ADIDAS logo, and his pants too, and the shoes too. So this is a new ad with the same kind of contrast with the typography. The shadows, I didn't know how to extend the shadow, but here it is, the shadow that I noticed. And this guy here, it's in the, I think it's the right position of someone who's running, who's active. and who would like to buy the shoes or the clothing. I mean, the purpose is to get yourself into all the ADIDAS brand, not only shoes, not only short pants, not only t-shirts, but all of them together. So this is it. Okay, the first one, this is the original, and obviously this is the end.